Hello everyone, good evening. This is Manjit Raut, your online instructor. Guys, welcome back once again to Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel. And as we know that we are working over a AZ-104 certification based video. So till date we completed up to 8 sessions based on the content of AZ-104. And today I'm just going to describe you about another option, another content which is required to clear your examination for AZ-104. It's an administration part, and in this video I'm planning to describe you about uh, the service of web application. So I hope you all of you guys know about the web application services, and in this video I'm going to describe you about the theoretical and practical part both. So let's start our practical. But before we start the practical, if you are new on my channel, if you are watching my video first time, so you can subscribe my channel for lots of update related to the latest video. And also you can find on multiple cloud provider based video like as the Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure admin and administrator, and you can say that architect part, Google Cloud, and virtualization. In virtualization you can find the video of VMware. So guys, today's agenda: create and configure web app. So in this topic we will discuss about the work of web app, and also we'll discuss about the practical how we can implement. So what we need to do, first of all, you need to understand about the work of web application services. So as per the name, the meaning of web application services, for example, you want to host your website based on the .NET, PHP, Java, Python, or any languages website that you created with the help of developer, and now you are planning to host by using the Azure portal. So guys, web application is a place where you can deploy. It's a type of platform as a services, and you can host your website that you designed with the help of .NET or PHP. So I'm going to show you the practical, and we'll also discuss about the plans and pricing and all that required to understand about the procedure and steps to host your website with the help of Azure Web Application Services. So I'm going to open it. This is our Azure portal, as we know that, and over Azure portal, if you see in the left panel, we have a web. Just click on the web, and the first option is available: web application, web app services. So this is also called web app services. So what you need to do, you need to click on the web application services. You need to create a one web application services and host your website that you created with the help of .NET or PHP. So I'm going to show you some live practical. For example, I have already created a one website with the help of .NET, I think. Yep. So this is my website, which is available on my desktop on my base machine. I'm going to show you by using index.html. So it's a .NET and HTML website. So this is our website. This is the dummy website that you open on your base machine. And now what I'm planning to host it to worldwide with the help of Azure Web Application Services. So this is our data, and this is our site, and we need to open our Azure portal. And over Azure portal you need to click on add. You need to create a one app services, and just click on the add button to create a new web application service. Need to fulfill the information. This is the basic information. You need to select the resource group, select the name of your web application. So I'm just going to proceed with testing web 1988. Correct. So you need to use some different, some unique name because it's a worldwide. So you need to provide that unique name. And another option, we have a two different way to use by using the code, by using the Docker container. So guys, if we're talking about the code in the sense you are planning to implement, you are planning to design your code on, you are planning to design your code that you have already created, like like as you have already created your website with the help of .NET or PHP or Java. So you can proceed with the code. And if you want to access your data from container services, so you need to proceed with the container. So we have a two different way to create our setup. We have a two different way to host our website with the help of Docker container and with the help of code. So I'm going to proceed with the code. Another option is runtime. So in the runtime, the meaning of runtime, which types of code you designed, which types of website you designed. So we created our website with the help of .NET. So you need to select the .NET. Although number of options are available. If we're talking about the runtime, so just give me 1 minute. In the runtime, we are able to get the information. We have a lot of options: .NET, Java, Tomcat, right, and Node.js, PHP, so Ruby. Lots of codes are available. Means lots of way to create your website. So we created our website by using the .NET. So that's why I'm going to proceed with .NET. And which types of operating system you want in the backend. Although you are unable to access this operating system, but you can proceed by selection of your Linux or Windows operating system. So I'm going to proceed with Windows, and this is the location, as we know that. So I'm just going to put our web application service in the location of Central US. And another important option is Windows plan. So Windows plan, right now we have a total 210 ACU and 3.5 gig of memory RAM size. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on the change size and check how many plans are available in the web application. So first is development and testing, another is production environment, and third one is the isolated. So try to understand about the meaning of these three important plans which is available in our web application services. So guys, if we're talking about the development and testing, so as per the name, the meaning of development testing, for example, you are new in Microsoft Azure and you are planning to check how web application service can work, so you can proceed with development test and testing. And if you already test the environment of Microsoft Azure, and now you are properly okay, you are planning to host your service from over Azure portal under the web application services, so you can proceed with production environment. And if you are already running your website from third party vendor, like you purchased your hosting from the godaddy.com or another provider who give you a place to host your website, and now you are planning, you feel your website speed is low, very slow, and lots of problem are occurred on your website. So what you need to do, you are to migrate your existing website and put it into the Azure. So that time you need to choose and proceed with isolated. So guys, I'm just going to proceed the production environment, because whenever we proceed with production environment, it gives us a lot of options. Like you can customize your domain, you can purchase your SSL and bind with your website. So that's why I'm going to proceed with production environment. So in the production environment, we have a lot of options available: P1 V2, P2 V2, and P3 V2. So this is the plan, and according to the plan you need to pay amount. Like if I'm going to proceed with P1 V2, I need to pay 99,650 rupees per month, 24/7. And another plan is 19,000, and next P3 plan is approximately 38,000. So guys, I'm going to proceed with S1, because in the S1 we have a lot of option customize. We can customize our domain, we can configure SSL, auto scaling is also available, number of slots you can create, you can configure your memory. You have a memory, you have a storage, you have a ACU, Azure Compute Services. It's talking about the base hardware configuration. So I'm going to proceed with one S1 plan and click add. No need to do anything. I need to click on the next. So this is the new option which is implemented by the Azure. You can choose the insights, and if you want to proceed with your own network environment, you can choose it. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to select our application insight, and just click create, review, and create. And this is the platform. You are just creating a platform to host your website. So guys, it will be take up to 3 to 4 minutes to create your create a platform for to host our website. So once it's created, we will upload our data with the help of FileZilla. So this is the step that you need to use over Azure portal. And second question is that how you can upload your data. The important part, because our data is available on our desktop, on our base machine, so you need to upload the entire file which is available in this particular folder into the web application that you are planning to create. So once it's created, we will upload it. But before uploading, what you need to do, you need to know about the prerequisites. So you need to download one tool. This is the FileZilla. You need to just download FileZilla for your compatible operating system, and just click here. I think I have already downloaded, but I need to check it. I'm going to show you the procedure how we can perform the task from scratch. Although I think I have already installed. Yep. So I have already installed the FileZilla, but what you need to do, it's a normal, I think 10 gig of 10 MB of data, so you can download within 1 or 2 minutes. It's depend upon your speed of your internet speed. Okay, no problem. So I'm just going to install it again. Correct. So you need to open it and open and install. Correct. So, guys, I hope you're able to see it. We successfully install our FileZilla, and we need to connect our FileZilla with our Azure portal. So, what we need to do, we need to wait for a few minutes. Yep. It's our Azure Web Application Services started successfully. So, what you need to do, you need to just click and go to the resources. So we created our resources with name of testing web 1988, and it's running successfully. The status is running. What you need to do, just copy the URL. So I'm going to proceed. I'm going to select the, just copy the URL and paste over any browser and check what it display. So guys, we are able to see the one default size, default files is available. So what I'm planning to host our website by using this particular URL by default, and after that we will customize our domain with this particular URL. So what you need to do, you need to just click on one of important topic. This is the deployment center, which is available in the properties of our web application services. So whenever we click on the deployment center, you are able to get lot of option. If you put your data into the Azure Jobs, GitHub, Bitbucket, local Git, and see Dropbox, OneDrive, external drive as well. So but we are planning to upload the data from on premises, so that's why we need to configure the FTP. Just click on the configure and use the username and password. So I'm going to proceed with username test 1988 and choose the password. So I'm going to proceed with one common password. Okay, so need to just type the password. um, so according to the password policy, you need to use the all the thing like as uppercase, lowercase, and all. Username is test 1988 and password is that you mentioned, and just click save. And we successfully saved our file services. So what you need to do, just check your web application services that you created, testing web 1988, and go to the deployment center. And in the deployment center, we successfully configured the FTP username and password. Click on the overview again, and now we have an option of username, and this is the host name. So what you need to do, just copy the host name first. Open your FileZilla and paste the host name. Second, you need to copy the username. This is our username, paste here, and use the password that you configure. Select the port number. So port number FTP is 21. Just click quick connect. So it will be take some time, and once it's connected, correct. So now we successfully connected. This is the file that you are able to see once you open the default URL. Now we successfully connected with our Azure Web Application Services. I'm going to delete it and upload our on data. So I need to refresh it again because it's disconnected. Use 22 and click OK. Okay, try to connect again. Now we successfully connected, and what we need to do, we need to delete our existing site. Go to the site and www root and choose your file which is available. Select your file and I need to remove it. Just click delete. So once you delete and try to check it again, if you refresh the page, there are no data available. You don't have a permission because you don't have a data in that directory. So now we are planning to upload our own data. So our data is available on desktop, which is demo website. So user, I'm going to select the desktop, and over our desktop we have a multiple files folder available. So our folder is it's demo website, correct? So you need to select the desktop and select your folder. Sorry, yep, this is our desktop, and we have a multiple file folders available. So our motto to upload the data which is available in demo website. So this is the demo website, correct? Select the demo website and control A and just drag and drop. Correct, you just copy and paste here, or just drag and drop, and it will just copy the entire data from desktop to your Azure portal. So now copy started. Once it's uploaded successfully, we will be refresh our same page and see the changes what happened. So according to the size of your data, according to the size of your website, it will be take time, and also it depend upon the speed of your internet that you are using. So 17 files, 18, 19 files, total 19 files are available and 4 directories available, so 2 directories remaining. So once it's completed, we will be try to refresh the page again. Okay, so I'm going to check it. Just refresh the page. Yes, and you are able to see the website that you uploaded. This is the .NET website that is available in our desktop. So you need to upload it with the help of web application services. So it will be take time because it's not a completely copied to the folder, and I'm going to check it the page again. Just copy the page and try to open in different URL, like on any different URL. Just paste here and try to check. Correct. So yeah, we are able to get the information of our website that we uploaded. So guys, this is the ways, this is the step that you can use to host your any website that is designed with the help of .NET, PHP, Java, any language. You have a website that you design in any language. You can directly choose the Azure Web Application Services, and under the Web Application Services, you can upload the data. So I hope you all of you understand about the procedure. This is the first step, this is the first video, and in the second video I'm going to describe about the customized domain and configure the SSL and TLS services, and also discuss about the scaling service. But you need to wait, and definitely will give you our another video in within 2 or 3 days. So thank you so much guys for watching, and we'll meet soon with new video. Take care and bye bye.